Hello students, welcome back to the online class. So today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, topic hot or cold. What is the chapter? Chapter number 6, topic hot or cold. Spotlight. In today's class we are going to cover weather and climate, and this video is part 1. Okay, for the reference, please take out your book, page number 39. Weather. What is the weather? The change which takes place in the atmosphere is called weather. What is the weather? The change in which take place in the weather is called an weather. As you can see in the image, weather is the state of the atmosphere over a short period of a time. So, the weather is the state of an atmosphere over the short period of the time. Weather change every single days or hours. So, the weather change, okay, in the every single day or hours. It cannot be stable, okay, it cannot be same always. It can be changed in the single days, in the hours, in the minute, in the every time. Sometime, take an example of now only. Sometime we can find sun, after that again rainy, again after that cloudy. So the weather cannot be very stable, okay. So it can be changed, it used to be changed again and again in the every single days or hours. Weather is not a stable for the particular period of a time. As I told you that the weather is not stable for the particular period of a time. Climate. If the weather pattern of a particular region is recorded and tracked for more than 30 years, it's called a climate of that region. So, if the weather pattern of a particular region we are recording, okay, if we are recorded or track for than the 30 years, it's called the climate of that region. As you can see, for this you can see in the news also. Yes, the people used to show in for the weather forecast. We can see over there like this, the people used to record or do a track, okay. So what it's called for this record and tracking, it's called a climate of that region. One can say the climate is a long-term pattern of the weather and the particular area. So one can say that the climate is the long-term pattern of the weather in the particular area. Climate on Earth. Earth is a unique planet, as we know that our Earth is a very unique. Why? Because it supports a life, water and all. Yes, all the living things can be live over there. Not only the living things, the human, animals, all the things used can be live here. That's why our Earth is a unique planet. Different parts of a world have different climates. So different part of a world have a different climate. So in the different world we have a different climates, okay. No, in the every place the weather climate is not a same. It cannot be same in the every places. In the some region, in a cold and the freezing, in the other it is hot or dry. As we know that in the foreign country and all, yes, in the place of very cold, like where the snow we can find it over there. In the winter season we can get a very freezing point, yes, with lots of snow and all. And in our place there will be a winter, but it's used to be a, like for a not too cold, no, only we can find a very cold only with a fog, yes, dew, not a snow. In the other place we can find lots of snow with the freezing point also. So that's why it's called a different part. We cannot have a same climates, we have a different climates. So that's why in the some regions it's a cold and the freezing in the other, and it's hot or dry. As you can see in the image, life on earth. The varieties of life that exist on the earth is because of a climate difference that are present in different regions. So the varieties of life that are exist means the varieties of life we can find it over here, like with the human, animals, plants, birds, insects, and all the living creatures we can find it over in the earth. Because of what? Because of a climate difference that present in the different region. Same pattern is noticed in the animal as well as in the, not only in the human, in the animals also we can be noticed as well as. The varieties of animal species found condition. So in, like, take an example of a different places like a desert, it's a very hot, yes, in the desert there will be a lack of water, rainfall, and in other place it's a very suitable for all the things like water, suitable rain we can find, suitable weather condition we can find. Yes, the same thing in the animals also. Like take an example of a desert animal, water we can find camel, and in the cold region, like take an example of a polar bear. Okay, if you will take a polar bear into the desert, the animal can be survive? No. Why? Because it have a suitable condition for staying to contain a climate. Yes, so it cannot, it find a very difficult to survive it. So the varieties of animal species found with the condition only, with the help of weather condition only, they used to live and they can find it in the every places. Animals such as polar bear and penguin that are found in the polar region will not survive in the equator region, as I gave you the example. Yes, the such as take example of a polar bear and the penguin that are found in where, in the polar region, will not be survive in the equator region. Equator means in place where used to be a very hot, okay, the sun used to come in the direct ray. Equator region means a very, take example of a desert only, okay. So they have they are habits of living in the cool region, that's why they can't be survive in the hot region. Influence of a climate on the people. Climate also influence and development of a culture and civilization. So the climate also influence and the development of culture and civilization also. They can be affected in the world, in what they are development in culture and also in the civilization. The people adopt themselves according to the climate of a place they live in. So the people adopt themselves according to the climate and the place they live in. So people used to adopt, like for take example of our clothes only, okay. During the summertime we are wearing a very hot warm cloth? No, because in the summer it's a very hot, so we can't be bare of that warm clothes. Yes, so we wear, the people used to wear a white or very light and cotton clothes for cool it down from the hot. Yes, so people are adapting themselves according to the climate of the place they live in. The kinds of food we eat, clothes we wear, house we live in, and all the determined by the climate. So the kinds of food we eat, clothes we wear, house we are live in, and all determined by the climate. With the help of climates only, the people are taking the food, okay, and they are wearing the clothes and house they are living in, and because of that determination only by the climate. Okay, take the example of a winter season. If you will eat during the cold time, again you will take a soup and all, or you will take a very cold thing, obviously you will take a soup and all. Yes, so for that only they are doing a determinations all the things, because through of the climate only. People living in the hot desert region do not wear coats. How they will wear the coats? Because in the top of that it's a very hot place. In the top of that, if they will wear a coat, then what will happen? Obviously they will may get a what, a too much of hot, and they cannot be bear it out. Yes. Effects of climate in India. So in India, which is the agriculture country, the farmer grow a different kinds of crops. So India is a place the which the farmer used to grow a varieties of crops and all. Yes. So it is a agriculture country, and the farmer used to grow a different kinds of crops, fruits and all. Here is an image with the help of example that the farmer is growing crops and all. This is the varieties of possible only because of a variation of a climate of a country. So there is a varieties is also possible only because of the variation of a climate of a country. Why there is a varieties of crop? Because of a varieties of climate in the countries. Difference between weather and climate. There are the several difference between weather and climate. So there are the several difference between of weather and climates. What are they? Weather is the atmospheric condition that prevails from the short period of a climate in the atmospheric condition for the long period of the time. So the weather is the condition, atmospheric condition, okay, that used to prevail for the short period of the time. Short period of the time means the weather cannot be stable in the one condition, like means the weather cannot be same for the same day. In the one day the weather used to change for the every minute and second, okay, in the every minute and hour the weather used to be changed. It cannot be stable in the one weather only. The weather may change in the day while the climate may change after a long period of time. So the weather can be changed in the day, okay. The climate used to be changed in the long period of a time. The daily life of the people is affected by the weather, and the climate has effect on the food habits, transportation, housing, occupation and lifestyle. So the daily life of the people is affected by the weather. Why? How? The climate has effect on the food habits. Okay, in the food habits, how it is affect? Because when the summer season used to come, we are taking the food very light. Yes, no, not a spicy, not a chili and all. Yes, because of the climate, according to the climates only we are changing the lifestyles also, in the food, in the transportation, in the housing, occupation, in the lifestyles also we are changing. That's why there is a difference of weather and climates. That's all for today's class, and see you in the next video. And yes, the chapter needed to be continued. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and also always follow the precaution which I used to say you always. Thank you and take care.